Hello everyone. We are here to tell you that our Lakshmi Machinery Company has established a training center for new customer to build their future in Bengal designing and CNC machine operating field. We have a well-trained trainers to give you best working experience in CNC machine operating. We are here to help you to make your complete factory setup for making gold and imitation bangle. Feel free to make contact with and make your career in CNC machine operating field.